All right, so if you're gaming on LD Player and the performance feels not great, this video is for you. I'll show you the exact LD Player settings that give better FPS, smoother gameplay, and fewer frame drops in 2026. No guessing, no complicated stuff. Let's get into it. First things first, open LD Player and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab. Set CPU cores to at least 2. If your PC can handle it, 4 cores is even better. For RAM, choose 4 to 8 gigabytes, depending on your system. More memory usually means smoother gameplay, you know? Next up, graphics mode. If your PC has a dedicated graphics card, switch to DirectX. If you're on integrated graphics, OpenGL often works better. There's no one-size-fits-all here, so yeah, test the one that gives higher FPS. Now lower the resolution if you want performance over visuals. 720p is usually the sweet spot for gaming. Set DPI to 240 or 280. Higher DPI looks sharp, but it can hurt FPS. Scroll down and turn off stuff like anti-aliasing, shadows, and high-quality rendering. These features look nice, but during fast-paced games, they can cause stutters. Turning them off gives you a noticeable boost. Make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. If this is off, LD player performance takes a big hit, especially in newer games. Inside your game settings, lower graphics quality to medium or smooth mode. High graphics inside the game plus high emulator settings is a common mistake. I mean, that combo usually causes lag, and that's it. With these settings, LD player should run noticeably smoother and feel way more responsive for gaming. If this helped, save it, and yeah, feel free to check out the other LD player guides on the channel. Catch you in the next one.